Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video we are going to show you how to make Sekela chicken. This is a grilled chicken dish which is found in Dar, Salaam and in parts of Tanzania. And interestingly, Sekela is a Gujarati word for grilled, and it's a fabulous barbecue style grilled dish. So we bring that to you. Do like this video. Beneath this video there's a like button with a thumbs up. Please hit that like button. Please. Por favor, lutfen. Very important for us. It really means a lot to us. Also hit the red subscribe button so that you subscribe to us, and that is a word of confidence to us because we come out with daily content. We have been putting in consistent effort to release these videos every single day of the week for the past several months. So please do subscribe to our channel, and also hit that notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. Now there's a lot of people who have subscribed, but because they haven't pressed the notification bells icon, they sometimes feel that we are releasing our videos sporadically, maybe once every 2 weeks, once a month, because they're not able to see our content, because what YouTube does is they don't show you our content being released. So you have to hit the notification bell icon so that you are informed of our videos that are released every single day. And we try to make sure that we serve each and every one of you with a video each day. And with that said, catch you in the next one.